Asana versus ClickUp for project management, which is better? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you a quick comparison between Asana and ClickUp for project management. Which one is better? I will share the pricing for both software, the user interface, features, and my own opinion based on my experience with these two platforms, Asana versus ClickUp. So without further ado, let's dive in. So I will first share all about Asana. Asana is one of the best project management tools available online. It's the perfect software to use if you have a growing business because Asana is not just a project management tool to organize your work or task, as you can see here on their homepage. This is how you can organize your project and task. But aside from this, Asana can also be a work management tool that you can use to communicate with each other, like sending messages to your other workmates or team, like a Microsoft Team app, which I will share later on. But before we jump inside Asana, let me first share to you its pricing. Asana has these three different plans, starting from the basic plan. It's the free plan, perfect for individuals or teams just getting started with project management. But it only includes some basic features such as unlimited tasks, unlimited projects, unlimited messages, activity log, file storage with 100 MB per file limit, and you can also collaborate with up to 15 teammates, list view projects, board view projects, calendar view, assignee and due dates, project overview, project brief, iOS and Android mobile apps, which is good because some other project management tools you need to get a premium plan or upgrade to premium plan to use the mobile app. But with Asana, you can download the app even for the free plan. Then you have the time tracking as well with integration. You can see time tracking apps and the 100 plus free integration with your favorite apps and many more. So here, as you can see, with your free plan, you can do a lot of things. So it's also perfect for small business owners. Then the next plan is premium for $10.99 per user monthly. If you pay 1 year upfront, but for monthly, it's $13.49. It includes more advanced features like timeline, dashboards, reporting, advanced search. You can also create custom fields for your projects or tasks, forms, rules, task templates, and more. The third plan is the business plan for $24.99 per user per month, billed annually, and $30.49 per user if billed monthly. And you can get everything from basic plan, premium plan, and more advanced feature. And also advanced functionalities, which is perfect for big businesses. So now let me log into Asana to show you their user interface. So just give me a moment. So this is now the home dashboard of Asana once you log in. So from here, you can see the task assigned to you, your priorities, and private notepad. But of course, you can also customize your dashboard here. Just click customize, and here you can also add more widget inside your dashboard. So going forward, you also have your My Task tab here to show you your task. And up here, you can change the view of your task as well. But for now, we have the free plan. It only show these views here because we have limitations. So if you have the premium plan, you have more different views option here. So going forward, here's your inbox as well. You can check all your notifications here and also messages from your teammates. You also have your reporting, portfolio, and goals here. So down here, you can also see all your teams, also different organization in your company. So for me, Asana is more simple and more intuitive. Plus, they have very helpful getting started guide, especially if you just signed up. Now let's compare it to ClickUp. So ClickUp is also one of the best project management tools out there, and it's perfect for small businesses. ClickUp is more of and all things to all people collaboration app. You can share your to-do list and create an internal knowledge base. It has also a whiteboard, which Asana doesn't have, and I will show you what the whiteboard is later on. ClickUp is also cheaper than Asana. ClickUp has lesser integration apps, and Asana has 2 times more integration app than ClickUp. So for me, Asana is a perfect software to choose between these two platforms when your business started to grow or if you have a big business. Now let me show you ClickUp pricing plan. So if you will pay 1 year upfront, you can save 45% from its regular monthly plan. But for now, let's check their regular monthly plan. Let's start with the free plan, which is the best for personal use only, and it includes 100 MB storage, unlimited task, collaborative docs, whiteboards. You also have real-time chat, email in ClickUp, Kanban board, sprint management, native time tracking, in-app video recording, and 24/7 support. The next plan is unlimited for $9 per user per month. It's just $1.99 difference from Asana Premium. And this plan includes everything in free forever plan and unlimited storage, integration, dashboard, guest with permission, unlimited Gantt chart, unlimited custom field, teams, goals, and portfolios. So here they have this one for the $9 plan. But these two features, when you look Asana, these are only available on Asana's business plan for $24.99. So with this, you can say ClickUp is more cheaper. And also, this ClickUp plan has form view and resource management. The third plan is the $19 per user per month, and it includes more features. And next, they also have the business plan for $29 per user per month and the enterprise plan. Now, let me log into ClickUp to compare their user interface. So just give me a moment. So this is the home dashboard of ClickUp. Here you have line up for your most important task. You have your trending section as well and your My Work, where you can view your today's task, overdue task, and next task. Here on the right hand side, you can also check your calendar, your agenda, and also mentions notification. If someone mentioned you in a comment, it will appear here. You also have your tabs here on the left hand side. You have your notifications tab, the polls tab, goals tab, and here inside the workspace is where you can create your projects or tasks for your different clients. You can also have your dashboard page here for you to manage and monitor everyone's performance. And of course, you can also customize your own dashboard, same with Asana. So when it comes to ease of use, Asana is simpler and easy to use and easy to understand than ClickUp. With ClickUp, it requires a learning curve because of the breadth of features. So I hope that you learned something today. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.